guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Mrs. Puff on Dress to Impress. Now obviously this is the kind of like human version of it ish, so let's get started with the video, removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is just the hat. I used this hair in this color FFAF55, and then I used this hat here in 475EA3. Position the Y at 0.56, Z 0.46. Rotate the X to 0.72 and scaled it to 0.23. Then for the outfit itself, I just use this top here in no sleeves in this color 475FA4 for everything except for the last one. We're going to color the ribbon yellow, D59812. I also used these for the fins, 6F9986. Let's color everything the same color here. For the skirt, I use this in this red, B41418. And then I also used these shorts in the same color. Sorry, I think I selected the wrong color. Use these tights in the same color as the hands, and then I'm going to also use these gloves for that. Then we're going to add these shoes in that same red color. And that's it. Super easy. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.